Some people don't know the struggles, you know. I don't know the struggle. Me know what hunger feel like. Me know how it feel like for wake up in the night and hungry. Or not eat for the whole day. And hungry, I'm gonna drink some water. You ever hungry and drink water yet? You try twist a bit. Hey, you with me, baby, you know this straight up. Violator get your head bust like cake cut. Love you, baby. What did them? Bang, bang, boom. What's up, guys? What's up? So we're there again with an update, life update, all type of updates as it regards to the event and everything. And I want to know if you remember, so the big bad event August 26th. Come out and support the thing. AK Gang, Active Knowledge, King and Ali. Yeah, right now, Ali should have there, but she's busy doing other things. So I can't really take her from what she do right now. So I should go and enjoy that. Hence the reason why I'm doing this video alone. Now, I want to come and support the movement. I want everybody to jump on board. I want to subscribe to the channel. I want to hit the notification bell, hit all on the bell as well. Become a part of what go on, because you know miss out a lot. See that we just post a Wray and Nephew fight, yeah, contender. Yeah, where the dancing bomber knockout a next individual. I don't quite remember the name right now, and I don't really want to say the wrong thing, so there's a whole lot. And we have a lot coming. We're thinking about revamp as it regards to our sources. We want new labelings, new bottlings, and all of that. So we have planned to assess them. We don't have an issue or any problem, but we are planning on upgrading them. Put it that way. So moving forward, you'll be seeing new outcomes and a lot of improvements. We need to set yourself on a level as it regards to getting yourself on a lineup. I've always been telling you guys that to get yourself on a lineup. And every grin and every smile is a grin, and every laugh is a smile, and every laugh mean them laughing with you, some of them laughing at you. So that's the harsh reality. Them always say no, winners watch the winning while losers watch the winners. Hence the reason you have envy, bad mind, and earlier I would have said covetousness. You understand? So we have to keep focus, keep our eyes on the prize, no what we want, and put in the hard work, because it's not easy. And nothing in our life not come easy. And the Bible tell you against it's a sin to feed a lazy man. You understand? So we have to focus on what we want, move to where we want, and try achieving goals. Try making steps. Try being that individual that everybody wants to be like. Try becoming role models. Sometimes we have to be ostentatious. For example, like when you see go the sense here, one carrot colorful, it's just the focal point to it's colorful and pretty, bag of light and picture and color all that. Yeah, sometimes we have to be like that. And somehow we have this big P in our face. I want to say the big P when I talk about pride. Sometimes we have to put, them say pride go before a fall. Sometimes we have to push pride aside. You understand? Me not be a hypocrite, me have to just be me and be myself. Me can't do like some other people who say, alright then. I'm going to pretend on the media. I'm going to pretend that this is going on. And behind closed doors. When you look at the camera, you're a different person. It makes no sense. So you have to just be yourself. We have a TikTok channel, TikTok account. And you can go over there and follow. It's King Ali 14. And you can also go over Chef Reed and Chef Alexander. It's one word. That's also another TikTok. Support the movements. Follow us. We try to be exclusive at times. We try to be outstanding. We also try to be independent. Where we are doing this on our own. We don't have a backup. We don't have any support system. So everything that is getting done, it's just King and Ali. You understand? my family will step in now and then and give a little strength or maybe a good feedback. You understand? But however, it's just us. And I appreciate the fact that we can be able to do this. You understand? So we not gonna be ungrateful. I have to always give thanks and appreciate life. Because life is what you make it. And the songwriter said life is one big road with a lot of signs. You understand? So if you not read the sign them, or if you not play the game right, you're gonna get a ticket. Yeah, and some of the ticket them these days you lose points off of your license. You understand? So it all boil down to, yeah, so when you get the metaphor, life is one big road. You understand? So same like driving, you have to know the road code. Because if you break them, you'll be getting tickets. So we have to do the right thing. We have to focus on what we want. We have to make moves. We have to put ourselves out there. We can't say I put 1 foot in and 1 foot out. No. You have to go all in sometimes. Sometimes you meet a new girl and you say you go and watch me, I go and watch her, you know. Or you meet a new man and you say yo, me I go and watch him, you know. But at the end of the day, no, the biggest risk is taking no risk at all. Sorry. The biggest risk is taking no risk at all. So the moment you have the idea, you start thinking about it, the idea come to your mind, or you start thinking about it, I think the next step is to move forward. And moving forward, you don't know what the future holds, or what that step will acquire, or what that step will bring forward. You understand? Sometimes we have to be our own push factor. You understand? And not a pull factor. Because sometimes we are pull away from things and it just not work. And someone will say, oh, you buy one little old car. I never gonna get better than people. And rare. Some people don't know the struggles, you know. They don't know the struggle. Me know what hunger feel like. Me know how it feel like for wake up in the night and hungry. Or not eat for the whole day. And hungry, I'm gonna drink some water. You ever hungry and drink water yet? You try to twist up it, and you stay saying for hold it and ban it. You know, it put me a gripe. That's how it feel. It's a distasteful feeling. So, when me put in my work and achieve my goals, you never know the struggle. So don't play it, don't bad mind. Where were you then when me need assistance and help? Never say no now, no. So when me reach where me want to reach now, it is like him go on like him better than people. Him go on like him this, him go on like him that. Him married and exalt himself. But I want to look at old car and think him on nobody. Yeah, my old car, my wife. You only can talk is cheap. Talk cheap, brother. And all you not talk to the wall, you not talk. The word is wind, it just blows up. So, I said that to say this. Work on your goal. Try work on fixing yourself. Love yourself. Because if you not fix yourself and you not love yourself, you can't love nobody and you can't fix nobody. You have some people who want to tell you how to live. And them not live right, you know. Them not live right. But them want to dictate your pace. You have an next person who want you to look up to them and respect them. But them not respect you. And if me rate you, and you not rate me, I take back my ratings. Yeah, I take back my ratings. So me look on it. Me depend on the platform here to build a brand. Me believe in brand building. I'm an entrepreneur. When me I study entrepreneurship. You understand? I've tried multiple things. I've not yet hit that milestone, or I've not yet achieved the goal or the silver. But me go and work with the brands. Me go and work with the brands. Because it's like a chain of command. It's like matriculating. You matriculate from primary school to high school, then you matriculate from high school to college to sixth form, then you matriculate from sixth form to college, and then you matriculate from there onwards. So that's what me I deal with right now. Yeah. Nobody not perfect. No relationship not perfect. Everybody have them flaws. Everybody have them disagreements. Things do happen. Some things happen sometimes you wonder what could have caused this. Sometimes a man will say, oh, when you're married and live happily ever. No, it's not all about being happily ever after. No. I'm not get it wrong. Everybody have them disagreements. And you have to disagree if you agree sometimes. When I tell you, say you gotta have your woman and you gotta beat her up, have your wife and beat her up, or you gotta have your husband and beat him up, or you gotta chop him in the feet. No, I never said to do that. There are things in life where I see, I'm looking at it in a different liking, and you do the same. Some people see through a square, triangle, and round. Some people say sideways, some people say upside down. So everybody say things differently. That's basically what I'm saying. You understand? So right now, I'm going to close off the video. But before I close it off, remember the bad event. We feel famous and wealthy, money there you plenty, culinary chef plus music no envy. Bang, bang, boom, we are out.